Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a volume or a disk from your PC and add that space to any other disk. So for example, I have this 50 GB disk right here, and I just want to delete it and add this space to this one. So how can I do? You just need to go to your start, or you just can search for partition, PAR, and you can see this create for and format the hard disk partition. So click on this. So now you can see here I have this new volume 50 GB. So what can I do? I just click on right click on this and delete this volume. So I don't have any data on this volume. If you have any data on that, you want to delete that disk, so you just need to restore, you just need to back up that data. So I'm just clicking yes. So now you can see 50 GB has been unallocated, and now this space is unallocated to any disk. So what can I do? Now if I click on this volume, so I want to increase this volume, so I just need to click right click on this and click on extend volume. So here click next, and I just want to allocate that all MBs to that disk. So click next and just click finish. So now you can see that volume has been deleted and allocated to this new volume. So now if I go to the file explorer, you can see that volume has been deleted and the space has been added to this volume. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for new videos.